Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Prashansa from Ranchi and today I'll be unboxing Brustro Artist's Gold Taklon set of 10 brushes. So here it goes. I have purchased it from Flipkart at Rs 699, which was its MRP. I didn't get any discount, but you can get some percentage off during the sale hours. Let us unwrap the packaging and cut the sellotapes. Okay, sorry for my nail paint. Ignore it. Kindly ignore that. I'm using a thermocutter to cut the sellotapes out here. I suggest my young viewers to kindly take help from the elder ones to cut and unwrap, as you may get hurt by doing it yourself. Yeah, so here is the bubble wrap. I love bursting it. Can you hear the pop-up sound? Simply thrilling, right? Okay, let's talk about the brushes. So here's the arrival of brand new Brustro brushes, set of 10. You can see these brushes comes with a glossy packet, or it is more like a glossy bag of brushes. The container or packet is quite durable and will keep the brushes safe for a longer period of time. If you love painting outside, then it will be easily handled due to its portable nature. If you want to buy these brushes, I will mention the purchase link in the description box below. So enough about the container, now let's talk about brushes. These brushes are quite long as compared to normal paint brushes. These brushes are made specially for big paintings and canvas use. In other words, you'll need a greater space or field to play these brushes. And this one, the stubborn one among them. Feeling shy of the camera, I think. Yes. Guys, can you hear this rattling sound? You can easily guess the quality of these brushes by hearing this sound. These brushes have a matte finish and weight is also average, that is neither light nor heavy. The color combo is also eye-catchy. It is black plus yellow ochre, or you can say mustard yellow. And who does not love black? Damn, black is my favorite. Any color combo with black looks beautiful, isn't it? See, these three brushes have caps. These brushes are round brushes, so they have given caps in these three and not in the remaining. Damn, I can't get enough of this rattling sound. It's thrilling my ears. Now you will say I'm playing. But yes, I'm playing. You gotta play sometimes. That will keep you out from any monotony. I am arranging my regular paint brushes in front of these brushes, Brustro Artist's Gold Taklon Brushes. The length of Brustro Artist brushes is 30 cm. Now let's move on to reviewing and demonstration of these brushes. Sorry guys, that was one of my watercolor painting and I am supposed to make a sketchbook tour video soon this new year. So be ready and stay tuned for that. So here are some labels on these brushes as bright and filbert and also the sizes. And do not worry, as I'll be labeling them with a pen on my sketch pad towards the end of the video. This is size 2 of filbert. The color I am using is gouache and the shade is rose. Now here's the series of 3 round brushes, only the difference is their sizes. As I said, I'll label. Here I am labeling these brushes. There are 2 flat, 3 bright, 2 filbert and 3 round brushes in this set resulting 10 altogether. If you are thinking that where do I get this sketchpad from, then let me tell you that I have made it. It is homemade. So if you want me to do a tutorial, I will do it as per your request on how to make a homemade sketchpad because it is very cheap and affordable. So this was the complete video on the packaging review plus demonstration of these Brustro set of 10 paint brushes, and I hope you got enough info about these brushes and that my video was really helpful for you all. If you like this video, then do subscribe my channel for more. You can also follow me on my Instagram. All links are available in the description box below. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay artistic, keep up the good work, and thank you so much for watching.